Hello everyone, this is Tech and Travel again with another tech video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new, not a very new, but an action camera, a cheap action camera that cost a bit around $45, 40, 45, somewhere 49. I bought it a little bit cheaper because it was an offer, so I bought it like under $30. Let me just have the box and then you can see what it's like. So, this is the new video I'm going to be unboxing. It's about the Kitvision 720p action camera. It's as you can see, it's 720p here. 720p resolution camera. It has a 5 megapixel still camera for still images. Beside that, the box has some accessories like the waterproof case, which you can already see in the box here, and it has a 2-inch LCD screen. And beside that, some other accessories, my bicycle mounts, adhesive mounts, some stripes that you can use with your hands or something. So yeah, and of course the battery, it has a 740 or so 20 milliampere battery. I'm gonna check in the box and then I'm gonna tell you in the end how much it is. But let's see how good this is. This video is mostly just about the unboxing and see the buttons on the camera. And I'm gonna make another video that I have compare with some other cheap action cameras that I have. That you can see the link down there for the unboxing of those cameras I have done before. And then I'm going to do a video about the 3 cheap cameras that I have, and I'm going to see which one is the good one, because they all 3 come almost in the same price. So yeah, so let's unbox this action camera. So I'm going to open this. I have already removed in case you're wondering, so that I have this box, nothing inside this box. So the camera is screwed with the top, so you can just unscrew this like this. So this is unscrewed, the camera is here in the waterproof case. What's inside the box? A USB charge cable, mount. I think there's like kind of a sticky thing that you can use. You stick them on something and then you stick your camera there, so they hold the camera. Another kind of mount, or a bicycle mount. The camera front cover. Some more supportive stripes. And some static, or like they also have the mounts with the sticker down there, so like you can put them in on the flat surface and then just mount your camera in it. So that's in the box, and also of course the manuals. I don't like manuals. Yeah, so that's the things in the box, and now I have this. Let me just open this waterproof case. That's the waterproof case, and that's the camera itself. 2-inch LCD screen, like you can see. And the front looks very premium, kind of, not sure. So it has 2 buttons on the top. You can see 2 buttons on the top. That's the power button on the left. It's just switched on as well. I didn't know that. So now it's switched on. I don't have any card or something. And this is the probably when you want to start video or capture pictures, and I'm not sure. Okay, this is the side buttons. You have the side buttons here. They are the menu, so you can see there's a menu up, down, and maybe you can select with the power button, or no, not the power, the shoot button, the red button that is used to select the menu, and then you can click again, and then you go back to the menu, so up, down, menu, down, and select, and just switch off the camera. So okay, if you want to switch between pictures and a movie, you have to actually click the right button, the on off button. So you click no file. If you click once, this is the video mode, this is the camera mode, and this is the, if you have any saved files on the camera, like on the SD card, because it doesn't have any memory in it. So the battery is here on the bottom. So this is the battery. I have to switch this off first. Yeah, and the battery is there. So this is a teeny tiny battery. It's 750 milliampere, 3.7 volt, 750 milliampere battery. I think that will give you around 30 to 40 minutes. I'm not sure. Yes, so that's the battery compartment, and it's the, there's another place that you can put your card, your SD card, mini SD card, and this is the charging port. Yes, so that's it. And they have this, I think that's the microphone, so I think they can be good, because in most cameras, action cameras, you don't see like the microphone. I think this one has a microphone, because I think this is something, I'm not sure. Anyway, so that was it. That's the camera and something about the camera itself. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me grow my channel. And I see you next time. Take care. Bye.